We awoke to a windy and rainy morning, so we decided to make the most of the inclement weather by running some errands. Grocery run?
Grocery run, also getting some water.
And throwing away our trash.
Yeah, throwing out our trash.
And hopefully getting some Wi-Fi. Margie?
By the time we got back to camp, the storm had passed and the sun began to come out.
Excuse me, Marjorie. £10 of potatoes.
10 pounds of potatoes, 10 pounds of ice. The little girl's
right.
about 10 pounds.
Nice. We got 30 pounds of precious goods.
Alright.
Oh man, I knocked it over.
Okay. Can we run through one thing together over the phone, and if that doesn't work, then I'll try and drive in and get served. Okay.
We are scouting a new spot right now because we haven't had any internet at our spot at all. But Scope's been working a lot, so he's been having to drive into the library, or I've been having to drive him in. And it's just been a lot driving in and out almost every day. So we're really hoping that this new spot will at least have enough internet that he can work a little bit. The internet does work, so we'll both be able to get work done from camp, which is awesome because we haven't been able to do that in weeks. So we're going to get this camp now, and we're going to move.
Here we go.
I love Curtudo. So good. You like it?
Mm-hmm. Hi, Margie. Good morning. You want to go out?
It's a nice morning. It's not windy finally. Look, I drew a cactus.
That looks nice. Ooh,
Specifically that
I like the
cactus.
breaks.
I love the saguaros. They are so beautiful. What's that? Oh my god, there's a whale right there.
Oh,
Do you see that?
Yeah, they're coming over.
Oh my god. They're so
This is a big place. Oh my god. Look at their little head thing. Isn't that cute?
They're so cute. Oh my god, he's getting so close. Hey, buddy.
Look at some features. There's no.
Ooh, grab your bird book.
But the top of
Oh,
this one
it was
was
red.
red. So this is the Gambel's quail. Gambel's quail is a widespread resident in canyons and deserts, especially in the southern Great Basin and Sonoran Desert. But also has adapted to suburban areas and sometimes visits feeders. Gambel's is more arboreal than bobwhites, feeding on fruit and
Ooh.
seeds and trees and large cacti. Oh, nice. And
Wait,
roosting in bushes
feeding
or
on
trees.
cacti?
Yeah.
Good
Voice,
part.
the male sings a repeated hup-wah, ha-ha! Nasal calls include an inquisitive wahoo. No, that was
what we-
Mario.
That's what we were hearing. We were hearing kind of a wahoo.
Wahoo. Why did I immediately go Mario?
You
A
really
sharp
did.
ooick, ooick. Yeah, yeah.
Or maybe that's the one we were hearing. That was pretty good. That's pretty
yeah,
good.
that's what we were hearing.
Oh, she's coming out.
And an adult male, rich, ruddy crown.
Oh, so I definitely saw a male then, because
Yeah.
if the female doesn't have the red top, I definitely saw males. I don't know if I saw
some
females.
Okay.
After spending 3 weeks in Ajo, we decided to head west to spend some time at the Colorado River. It was starting to get hot in southern Arizona, so the prospect of cool water to swim in was irresistible.
We packed up the night before, said our goodbyes to the saguaros we got to know so well, and spent our last evening enjoying the warm night and star-filled sky.
Lunchtime! Did you eat your lunch already, Marge? I put spinach in them, which I don't usually do. I kind of just used up all the random produce we had. Good?
Very simple, but one of my favorite meals.
Me too.
We arrived at the Colorado River and immediately went to swim in it as soon as we were done setting up camp and eating lunch. The river itself was absolutely beautiful. The water was clear and crisp, the landscape teemed with flora and fauna, but unfortunately the surrounding area had lots of trash. This was extremely upsetting to us and put a bit of a damper on our experience at the river. We cleaned up as much as we could, and always carry large trash bags while we travel for this exact purpose.
Scobie and I talked a lot about how we don't understand how people can litter like this. But while talking, we realized that people do this because they themselves don't feel as if they are a part of nature. This dualistic view most people in the West have of nature being separate from themselves is an illusion, and is the root cause of the suffering and chronic mistreatment of our planet that we see today. As long as people continue to see themselves as different from nature, things like this will keep happening. Difference breeds indifference. But the truth is that we are all connected. The land, the water, the animals, us, there's no way that we couldn't be connected. Humans themselves are animals, but most people forget this fact. So the next time you're out enjoying a natural space, please remember to leave no trace, and take some extra trash with you if you're able to.